Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can check chemistry of your squad in Ultimate Team FC24. So that's very simple. This option is actually located right here on the left side under the squad actions. As you can see, it's right here. It's not good visible actually, but it's located right here. And if you want to increase the team chemistry, you have to just place the correct players on the field. So I'm gonna put this player on the central back and the goalkeeper. Maybe. Okay, it looks like I don't have the goalkeeper, but let's try this one. He's from France, and yeah, as you can see, when I put him, even that he is a center midfielder, I can put him into the goalkeeper, and still my chemistry is increased thanks to the 11 players on the field. So if we want to get more chemistry, for example, we have to switch maybe this guy right here. Yeah, as you can see, we've got the +10 chemistry because he's from France, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 players from the France. So with the 9 players, we've got another point chemistry. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.